So you might be in a situation where for some reason on TikTok, you're actually going through and having this type of, error where you're not getting that full screen button popping up. So let's go and make my way over to my own profile. And if you go and kind of see my own videos, sometimes you might see that that full screen button at the bottom might not be showing up properly. Now, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to try seeing if there's an update available for TikTok. So what you can do first is you might just want to hop out of TikTok just like this and try going inside of your app store and try going through and making sure that TikTok is kind of updated for the most part. Sometimes if TikTok is very outdated, that might be a problem you might run into. So try updating the TikTok application that way, and that might be one of the things I'd recommend doing here. So sometimes that might end up doing it. Now, if you update it and that's still not working, you might want to try closing out of TikTok and opening it back up. So try doing some variation of that, closing out of TikTok just like this, opening it back up, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. Because for a lot of people, that might end up fixing it for you. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you might want to try doing here too is to try going through and try checking your auto rotate settings within TikTok. So you can do that by going into your own TikTok profile. So hop inside of your own TikTok profile, go into settings and privacy, and scroll down to that privacy option. And you want to see if that ends up kind of showing it for you and kind of fixing it. The exact instructions are basically right here, and I'll go and show you on the main display. So it's basically you basically go into your auto rotate settings right here, and you see if that ends up fixing it. So I'm going to try demonstrating it right here because I finally got it. So let's go into my own video. Let's go and click onto this one. And you can see I now get that full screen button just from updating TikTok. So that's probably what I'd recommend doing for everybody. Try updating your TikTok application or try closing it out and going back into it. And that will probably end up fixing it for a vast majority of people. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.